Okay. I know. She's just crying, isn't she? You want to play with her? I know. Can we wait? When Dad does some, we'll play with her. Dad. Whoops. Uh-oh. I know. Okay, so JJ figured this all out by himself, which we're happy he figured out how to climb this, but we're not happy. I know. Okay. There you go. Okay, so we can see. Yes, right. We don't want to sit on her. Okay, Jay. Can we wait a minute? Mama will help you?
Yeah.
Okay.